I'm going to ask you to prepare yourself this morning. Because this morning I am aware that there are many of us who are here this morning who have real struggles, who have real challenges, and have real situations that we currently face, that as you walk through these doors, you've walked in with this dependence and trust and need and saying, God, I need you to come through for me because I don't know who else will. And so this morning, I want to identify how fear's voice speaks so loud in our lives and how we can counter it this morning. Because the enemy wants us running away in fear. The enemy wants us running to that cave. The enemy wants us to isolate ourselves and feel like we are all alone. Because first and foremost this morning, I don't want to run away from this. But first point I want to share with you this morning is fear is real, but it's not from God. Fear is real, but it's not from God. The scripture doesn't say fear doesn't exist. It says that it doesn't come from Him. That means that you can feel fear without failing God. Just because you feel an emotion, because you feel fearful, does not mean that you're failing God. It makes you human. Elijah wasn't weak because of what he felt. He was human. The second part in this point is you can experience fear without losing faith.